What is a Dockerfile? A Dockerfile is a text file containing a set of instructions to automate the creation of a Docker image. It defines the environment, dependencies, and commands required to package an application into a container. Why use a Dockerfile? Automates the image creation process. Ensures consistency across different environments. Enables version control for infrastructure. Simplifies deployment and scalability in CI/CD pipelines. Structure of a Dockerfile. A Dockerfile consists of a series of commands that describe how the image should be built. Basic example of a Dockerfile. Below is a simple Dockerfile for a Node.js application. Number 1. Use an official Node.js image as base. From Node 16. Number 2. Set the working directory inside the container. Workdir/app. Number 3. Copy application files to the container.
Copy.
Number 4. Install dependencies. Run npm install. Number 5. Expose a port for the application. Expose 3000. Number 6. Command to run the application. cmd node server.js. 1 from. Specifies the base image that the container will be built upon. Every Dockerfile must start with a from instruction. The base image can be official from Docker Hub or custom-built. From Python 3.9. Uses the official Python 3.9 image as the base for the container. 2. Workdir. Sets the working directory inside the container. Ensures all subsequent commands, copy, run, etc., execute in this directory. If the directory does not exist, Docker creates it. Workdir/app. Sets /app as the working directory inside the container. 3. Copy. Copies files from the host machine to the container file system. Can be used to transfer code, configuration files, or assets. Syntax. Copy, source, destination.
Copy.
/app. Copies all files from the current directory to /app inside the container. 4. Run. Executes commands during the image build process. Used to install dependencies, update packages, or set up configurations. Each run instruction creates a new layer in the Docker image. Run apt-get update. Updates the package list for the container's OS. 5. cmd. Specifies the default command to run when the container starts. Unlike run, which executes during image build, cmd runs only when the container starts. Can be overridden when running the container. cmd. Python. app.py. Runs Python app.py when the container starts. 6. Entry point. Similar to cmd, but designed to be non-overridable by default. Used when the container should always execute a specific command, regardless of additional arguments. Allows passing extra arguments at runtime. yntrypoint sh. Ensures the container always runs sh command. 7. Expose. Informs Docker that the container listens on a specified port. Does not actually publish the port. It must be published using p and docker run. Expose 8080. Specifies that the container expects traffic on port 8080. 8. env. Sets environment variables inside the container. Can be used for configuration values like ports, API keys, or database URLs. env port equals 5000. Defines port as 5000, which can be accessed inside the container. Conclusion. A Dockerfile is essential for automating containerized application deployment. It helps define the base image, dependencies, working directory, and runtime commands, ensuring consistency and efficiency in building Docker images.